Start हो गया. Now come to the side determination of the bone. How to know of which side this bone belongs? This bone. In the side determination, medial malleolus, it projects downward and it is always placed medially. Anterior border is subcutaneous and it is forward, and tibial tuberosity is facing anteriorly. Medial condyle is larger and bulky as comparison to the lateral condyles, and soleal line is posteriorly. So, of which side this bone belongs? This is our bone of right leg. This is the bone of medial side of the leg. Let us discuss about the parts. Tibia is divided into 3 parts: upper end, shaft and lower end. Upper end consists of medial condyles, lateral condyle, intercondyle tubercles, intercondylar space and tibial tuberosity in front. Upper end, medial condyle has anterior surface, medial surface, posterior surface and superior surface. Here lateral condyle also has anterior surface, superior surface, posterior surface and lateral surface. This is the periphery of the condyles is flattened, and here it gives attachment to the meniscus. Here medial meniscus and here lateral meniscus, and that merges with the intertubercles of the condyles. And similarly here the medial condyle, the medial meniscus also runs laterally and merges with the medial intercondyles. Medial condyle is bulky than the lateral condyles. It connects with the shaft. Upper end is wider as comparison to lower end. Borders. Tibia has medial border, lateral border and posterior border. Medial border. It extends from the medial condyle and runs downward. It runs downward to the anterior border of the medial malleolus. Anterior border extends from the tibial tuberosity and runs downward to the anterior border of the fibular notch. Posteriorly, we have a prominent ridge which is known as soleal line. This soleal line started from the lateral condyle and runs downward and merges with the medial border of the tibia. Now comes to the surfaces. This is the area between anterior border and medial border is known as medial surface. The area between anterior border and lateral border is known as lateral surface, and the area between medial border and lateral border is known as posterior surface. Now come to the lower end. Lower end consists of a downward projection medially which is known as medial malleolus, and here laterally there is a notch present for the fibula which is known as fibular notch. Here is a groove. Now come to the surfaces. This is anterior surface, this is medial surface, this is lateral surface, this is posterior surface, and this is inferior surface. And here is one groove for the passage of the tendon of the tibialis posterior.